Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank, and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. All right, let's review yesterday's action, starting with Bloomberg's evening briefing from last night. Stocks lost traction as a roughly $430 billion plunge in NVIDIA raised speculation that the rally in the industry that's powered the bull market was due for a pause. While various sectors outside the tech world advanced on Monday, NVIDIA extended a three-day rout to 13%, crossing the technical threshold of a correction. The chipmaker at the heart of the artificial intelligence revolution has become the most expensive stock in the S&P 500. It remains up almost 140% this year, making it the second best performer in the benchmark gauge behind Super Microcomputer, another favorite AI play. So we finally got the drop in NVIDIA, but no market crash yet, right? S&P 500 was down 0.31%. The Dow rallied 260 points, up 0.67%. NASDAQ took the worst of it, down 192 or 1.09%. So everyone was talking about the crypto market sell-off Monday, and it already seems to be recovering. At the time of this recording, I've got Bitcoin at 60,345, so back over 60K. I think down over the past 24 hours, 4.45%. I only have one significant position right now in crypto, XRP, and if the sell-off resumes, I believe two things. One, XRP will fall less than its peers. Two, I'll buy more, and I did get some on Monday when it dropped under 47. Not investment advice or advisor. So at the time of this recording, I've got XRP at 0.4735. If it drops below 47 again, I'll buy it again. Why? I'm a position trader, not a day trader or a long-term investor, at least not in the accounts I cover on this show. As a position trader, my trades are based on future or forward events. In this case, settlement with the SEC and mass adoption of the coin for cross-border payments. I'm convinced XRP will deliver everything Bitcoin promised and more. Simple as that. I want my subscribers to be aware we are 85 days to the second day of the September Fed meeting. That's when everyone is convinced we're going to get a rate cut, right? We are also 133 days from the election date of November 5th. These are going to be market-moving days and even weeks, no doubt in my mind. But it's what can happen before these dates that I wish to discuss. I'm starting to see a couple different scenarios take shape. I'm wondering, will we get a black or white swan event before the current forecasted rate cut date in September? Or will we make it to the rate cut date and then get a rally? Or will we get a crash and then use the rate cut to save the economy before the election? Under geopolitical swans, I've got Russia, Ukraine, China, Taiwan, Israel, Hamas. We could also add Iran and or Hezbollah to that equation. And then, of course, the 2024 election itself. Under systemic or financial swans, the commercial real estate crisis, 282 U.S. banks at risk, BRICS, and de-dollarization. We've got the $34 trillion U.S. debt spiral. Ryan Cohen could make an announcement about that $4 billion war chest, right? We could get another roaring kitty post. We could see the settlement of the SEC versus XRP case. Then there's the derivative tsunami. Unrealized losses held by the Fed and banks. Hidden hedgy leverage, or I should say over leverage. Securities sold yet not purchased. Unreconciled synthetic shares. So on topic, is the Biden administration actually trying to get us in a war with Russia? These headlines are from the past 24 hours. Russia warns U.S. to brace for retaliation after Crimea missile attack. Russia vows retaliation against U.S. for Ukraine's ATACMS missile attack on Crimea. The Kremlin accused the United States of killing Russian children after a Ukrainian attack on occupied Crimea with long-range missiles supplied by Washington. Moscow summoned the U.S. ambassador to issue a formal warning, and Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov issued a biting public comment blaming the U.S., calling the strike barbaric. With all these geopolitical risks around, the first thing you check is oil and gold, right? Oil holds gains as traders weigh escalating geopolitical tensions. Oil prices steady as markets weigh supply tensions. China economic recovery. All right, so crude oil up 8 cents, 0.1%, nothing there. Gold down 2.60, nothing there so far. But what about uranium? Paladin Energy agreed to buy fission uranium in an $833 million deal as a surge in the nuclear fuel triggers a return to acquisitions in the previously sleepy sector. Atomic fuel has surged following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. So how do I get some exposure to uranium? I can take a position in UROY, U-R-O-Y, or the Uranium Royalty Corp, which operates as a pure play uranium royalty company. It acquires, accumulates, and manages a portfolio of diversified uranium interests. This name is back on my ticker again, as I'm expecting this sector to heat up. That's the weekly chart on your screen, and I added a yellow line where I opened a small position. UROY closed at 230, down 2.95%, but after hours clawed back 2.12%. Moving over to Archer Aviation, I thought it had a great day considering it was up over 17% on Friday. It did get over 4, even if just for a moment on Monday, closing the day out at 3.74, up 8 cents or 2.19%. Then after hours added another 6 cents or 1.60%. ACHR also made it into this headline, noteworthy Monday option activity. Archer options are showing a volume of 65,977 contracts. That number of contracts represents approximately 6.6 million underlying shares, working out to a sizable 87.3% of ACHR's average daily trading volume over the past month of 7.6 million shares. Particularly high volume was seen for the $5 strike call option expiring October 18th with 55,348 contracts trading so far today, representing approximately 5.5 million underlying shares. On your screen is a chart showing ACHR's trailing 12-month trading history with the $5 strike highlighted in orange. At the time of this recording, I see 40,000 shares of Archer available to lend and sell at a cost to borrow fee of 65.21%. Cinemark had a great day yesterday, and why not? Lots of good news in the theater industry right now. Got as high as $20.79 to finish the day at $20.75, up 6.52%. And there's the daily chart on IMAX. Also had a great Monday, $17.25, up 39 cents or 2.31%. But I see 6 green daily candles in a row, up over 12% for the past week. And there's our zombie stock AMC, up 2 cents to close at $4.57, down over 7.16% for the week. But over that same week, we paid Adam $500,000, $500,000 a week, more than triple what the Cinemark CEO gets, and he's worth every penny. Where's all the new concert films we were promised? Remember, Adam told you the phone was ringing off the hook, right? Oh, I know. He's playing 3D chess again. And let's do the year-to-dates before the bell. S&P 500 up 14.9% so far. Dow 4.5%. NASDAQ up 18.5%. Bitcoin up 35.9% for the year. Ethereum 40%. Gold 13.1%. Oil almost 14%. And the 10-year Treasury yield 4.234. We're going to see earnings from FedEx today. On Wednesday, Micron, Jeffries, and General Mills. And then on Thursday, Nike. All right, today, Tuesday, June 25th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we're going to see consumer confidence. Tomorrow, 10 a.m., new home sales. Thursday, initial jobless claims and GDP second revision at 8:30. At 10, pending home sales. And then 9, Thursday night, the first Trump-Biden debate. But it's all about Friday, June 28th. The entire PCE group of data drops. That's the Fed's favorite, along with personal income and spending, all at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Nothing but good news at the box office. Disney and Pixar's Inside Out 2 has tallied $724 million at the box office worldwide as of Sunday, making it the highest-grossing film of 2024. Box office experts expect the film will soon surpass $1 billion globally, becoming the first film since Warner Bros. Barbie to reach that milestone. The animated sequel is also one of only 7 titles to cross $100 million in its second domestic weekend in theaters. Hashtag choke on that. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.